So the other day in one of the solo groups, the question came up about saving a custom color palette. So if I select this and I choose my fill and stroke color, and I want to add a custom color, I would click on this, choose the color, and then add to custom colors. And it will be there until I close out this session of create. And then when I reopen it, it won't be there. Even if I save this as a project, these colors will not be here. So to show you how you can save a custom color palette to your library, what you can do is just choose a shape. It doesn't matter what shape it is. And then do Control D to duplicate and make several rows and several columns. I'll make 4 by 4. That gives me 16. Okay, and then I'm going to actually Control A to select them all and change that color to a gray, just so it's not so bright in your face red. Okay, so then I want to select just one square and make a custom color. Okay, and I'll select another one and I'll make a different custom color. All right, so then what I can do is Control A to select them all and export them to Documents, Starcraft Create, and My Designs. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and name this palette. I already have one, as you can see. So then I'm going to save that. Okay, and then when I close out Create and I reopen it, and I'll start a new project and I'll choose a shape, and then I'm going to select that shape and come up to my library and come down to My Designs and look for that palette. Okay, so here it is. All right, I can close this out, select this. Make sure you right click and ungroup, because if they're grouped, the color picker won't work. So let's go ahead and select this, choose your color picker, and then you can select any of the custom colors that you have saved in this little palette. Okay, now if I want to let's say I change this to a new custom color, okay, and I want to save that here, what I can do is select this, one of the gray circles, choose my color picker, and click on that purple. Okay, and then to save this palette, what you're going to do is select it all, go to Export, go back to Documents, Starcraft, My Designs, type in Palette. Unless you want to have more than one palette, then you can type in Palette 2 or Palette 3 or however you want to keep them organized. Then click Save. It's going to ask me if I want to replace the old file with the new file, so yes, I do. Okay, and then so that new color that we added was the purple. So let's go ahead and close this out and open Create again. Open a new project, draw a shape, select it, go to your library, down to My Designs, choose that palette again. Okay, you can move it over here and make sure that it is ungrouped. Okay, because if it's grouped, it won't choose the color with the color picker. Select your shape or whatever it is that you want to change the color of, and then you have your new color in that palette. So you can continue to do that and save as many custom colors as you want. Just make sure that, so let me go ahead and just choose one more come to my fill and stroke, and I'll choose a teal, maybe a brighter teal. Okay, so then I'm going to select them all, and I'm going to export to Document, Starcraft, My Designs, type in palette, save, and choose yes. Okay, now this box is going to pop up. Make sure selection only is selected, because otherwise it's going to save this as well. So select all of your little color palette circles, and then make sure that this box says selection only, and that's all that it will save. You know, there's many ways you can do this, but to have it inside Create, you can save it to your library, okay? So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or you can join one of the Facebook groups that I have listed in the description of the video, and you can find me there. Thanks for watching.